I know. You're pretty much tired of hearing me talk about this shit by now, aren't you? Well, guess what? I am too. I'm tired of being killed by these eugenicists. You think, hey, Rick, there ain't shit we can do about it anyway. Just shut up, figure out a way to enjoy life like the rest of us. Well, how about there is something you can do about it? Instead of just doing nothing, why don't you consider doing a little research? Find out exactly what that is that they're spraying in the sky. If it's contrails, fine, sleep well. If you find out that it's chemicals, if you find out that there is a such thing as geoengineering, weather modification, just research those. Don't research chemtrails. Go to your own government websites, whether it be the state of Texas or whether it be the United States government websites, and search there for geoengineering and weather modification. I don't care how wonderful the government and the military and scientists and bankers and elitists think these chemical trails are for us. I don't care. It's like sunscreen. You can wipe that sunscreen all over you for all I care. Slather it all over your babies. I don't care, man. That's your right and privilege in this world, in this life. But I don't want it touching me. I don't like that shit. So there you go. I don't like the shit in the sky either. Here we are in Arlington, Texas, everybody. You're on target. If you do some research, you will find out that these eugenicists are killing us. It's part of the program. It's part of every aspect of life, from banking to the way they're stealing your money, the way the Federal Reserve was set up, through federal income taxes that are illegal, through the food by depleting the nutritional value of your food that you can buy at the grocery store, by your medicine, all the poisons that are in your medicines, by getting rid of herbs in the first place, locking up herbalists back in the 50s. Just do your research, folks, and you might find that you have some superhero strength inside of you after all. How about activating some of those genes that lay dormant in your heart and soul by doing some research and getting excited about not dying, about not suffering, about figuring out a way to defeat these eugenicists. Figure out a way with superhero power and strength and characteristics to live victorious and defeat these killers. How about that, superhero? Let's go! Don't sit down. Research. Find your strength. Peace.